Welcome to our guide on landing your first freelancing client in just 7 days. Let's dive into the step-by-step system that will set you up for success. First, profile setup. Create a compelling profile on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Use a professional photo, write a catchy bio, and highlight your skills. Next, niche selection. Choose a specific area where you excel, whether it's graphic design, writing, or programming. This helps you stand out in a crowded market. Now let's talk about daily outreach strategy. Dedicate at least 1 hour each day to search for potential clients. Use filters to find jobs that match your skills and interests. Craft personalized messages to introduce yourself and express your interest in their projects. For proposal templates, create a few variations that you can customize for each job. Include a brief introduction, your relevant experience, and a clear call to action. Portfolio creation is crucial. Showcase your best work, even if it's from personal projects or volunteer work. Use visuals to highlight your skills and make your portfolio appealing. AI-assisted cold outreach can save you time. Use tools like ChatGPT to help draft messages or proposals, ensuring they are engaging and professional. Follow-up techniques are essential. If you don't hear back within 3 days, send a polite follow-up message to check in. Lastly, avoid common beginner mistakes. Don't underprice your services and don't apply for every job. Focus on quality over quantity. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to securing your first freelancing client within a week. Good luck.